Hello and welcome to Blackstone Solicitors YouTube channel. If you're in the equestrian world, whether as a yard owner or a horse owner, you've probably heard of a livery agreement. But what exactly is it? Do you need one? And what happens if things go wrong? In today's video, we're explaining what a livery agreement is, why it matters, and how to get it right so your horses are happy and your legal footing is solid. A livery agreement is a legal contract between a yard owner or operator and a horse owner. It sets out the terms under which the horse is kept at the yard, whether that's DIY, part, full, or working livery. Think of it as a boarding contract for horses. It outlines who does what, who pays what, and what happens when something goes wrong. It's not just a handshake over a stable door, it's a vital document that protects both parties. So, a well-drafted livery agreement should include the following. First, details of the horse name, age, breed, and any health conditions. There really should be no room for ambiguity here. Second, the type of livery service. So, is it DIY, part livery, or full livery? Be specific about what's included, like turnout, mucking out, feed, exercise, and grooming. Third, fees and payment terms. How much, how often, and what happens if payment is late. Fourth, notice period and termination. What's the process if either side wants to end the agreement? Fifth, insurance and liability. Who is responsible for what? What if the horse injures someone or damages property? Sixth, veterinary care and emergencies. Can the yard seek emergency treatment and who pays for it? And finally, seventh, rules of the yard turnout times, use of facilities, visiting hours, and behavior expectations. In other words, clarity is absolutely key. Now you might be thinking, we've always done it on a verbal agreement, and it's been fine. And well, that may be true until something goes wrong. Maybe the horse escapes and injures a passerby. Maybe the owner stops paying. Or maybe there's a dispute over feed, exercise, or vet bills. Without a written agreement, you're relying on memory and goodwill. With one, you've got clear evidence of who's responsible for what. That can save you time, money, and a lot of stress. Here are a few common traps often encountered. First, vague or outdated agreements. Templates from 2003 won't cut it. Update regularly and tailor to your yard. Second, no clarity on vet authorization. In an emergency, the yard may need to act quickly. Make sure it's in writing. Third, unclear rules. Yard rules should be part of the agreement, not scribbled on a notice board. And fourth, no provision for bad behavior. If a horse becomes dangerous or an owner repeatedly breaches the rules, what happens? You need clauses that deal with real-life scenarios, not just ideal ones. At Blackstone Solicitors, we understand the unique challenges of the equestrian world. We help yard owners draft and review bespoke livery agreements that cover all the bases, clear, fair, and enforceable. And if a dispute arises, we're here to help you resolve it quickly and efficiently. We can also advise horse owners on what to look for before signing and how to protect their rights. Because whether you're running a 5-stable family yard or a professional equestrian center, the right legal advice makes all the difference. So there you have it. Livery agreements may not be glamorous, but they're an essential part of good yard management. If you'd like help drafting an agreement, reviewing an existing one, or resolving a dispute, get in touch with our team at Blackstone Solicitors. We speak your language and we're here to help you ride on, legally protected. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more legal insights.